Whose man's is this? Whose man's is? Yeah, you have to put the washer on the bottom, not the top. I feel bad for your car. WRX. That's actually a normal Impreza. We just call it WRX. Alright, so we already have this set up already. As you guys can see.
Got the,
set up.
The pins.
Alright.
Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Oh.
You had one job. You had one job, bro. One job. I'm just a production crew.
Got kind of our guiding holes just to make sure it fits properly. And just so you guys can see.
We solid. Oh, Oh man, the bag, bro, the bag. Oh fuck. Now the drill through the hole on top.
You have to drill into the carbon fiber.
Put the drill. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Just do it. I'm gonna hate you for it. So do it.
Sure, bro.
Just do it.
Alright, I gotta look one more time, just to make sure.
It's like 2 in the morning already, bro. We work tomorrow. Today.
Measure twice, cut once, bro.
It looks good apparently. Hey, Enforced Arrow. Shout out, Enforced Arrow. Alrighty. Alright, here we go. Reparino Carburino. Alright, we gotta change our equipment real quick. Alright, go, bro. Oh, that hurt me. Oh. Which fucking hood. How's it looking, bro?
Well, you can see it.
Should make the hole bigger or what?
Yeah.
Alright. Hole number 2. Solid, bro. Oh. Hey, we did it. Lo hicimos. Alright, let's see the results. So we need to do some couple things. Some Dremel action. Be using this focus camera to smooth out the second hole to make it a little bit bigger. So make sure Dremel is useful. Now we're cutting the outline. We're not making the hole bigger. We're cutting the outline. I lied. We need to outline it first, bro. Let me get that. Let me get the liner real quick. All right, to outline in the simple arrow catch instructions, use the fixed plate that comes with it, which is the bottom piece. We're gonna outline the inside of it on the tape, and then we use a Dremel to cut it out. We should be solid. I hope. I really hope.
Alright, so now that we kind of got our guide hole in there, now we just put a little bit more tape on top for whenever we're ready to cut it, and that we can do an outline. And we're using the little bottom bracket, and we're gonna use that as an outline. We're just gonna Sharpie the little outline and then cut it with the Dremel. Ta-da, Dremel. And right now we're just trying to line it up. We can see where the pin kind of is located under the hood right here, and so we kind of jot out where it's at, and we're just trying to get it centered. That way whenever we actually put the whole thing on there, it should line up pretty good, hopefully. But but I mean, it looks pretty good right there. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the outline, and then we'll get to cutting. Alright, so we kind of got our outline on there. And I always try to remember, just try to cut smaller than how it is. That way you can always cut it bigger, but you can't make it smaller, if you know what I mean. But yeah, we're gonna try and cut this out and see how it looks.
Some Dremel action.
There we go.
One eternity later.
Damn, it's pretty chilly out here. Like 30 degrees. Anyways, our Dremel kept dying, so we're just gonna attach the little sander thing to the drill. So hopefully this works. If not,
Good memes.
rips in.
Alright, we're almost finished the hole, just sending it off. Oh, it's a
Nice and it's
connector, bro.
connected, Alright, here we go.
Number 2, because the Dremel keeps dying, so
Driver's
we...
side. It's been a few hours since we last did the other one, so hopefully this doesn't die on us that quick.
One eternity later.
Little comparison. Just got that one cut up. Just sanding that one down to make it, you know, make the thing flush. Using the drill, not working. But we use what we got. It's a little update. It's currently, what time is it? Midnight.
Close to it.
Damn. Yeah, carbon fiber.
The next day.
Alright, so it's been a couple hours since we saw you guys last time.
7 hours.
We stopped last night because the Dremel kept dying because someone didn't charge it
And then it got hella cold.
at your man's. Yeah, it got cold, as you can see on my roof. There's still some ice on there. And last night it was really cold, so, and we didn't have a Dremel, so we were just using a nail filer. Didn't get anywhere smoothing it out. But this morning I woke up at 6 and
This is the progress we have.
started. The Dremel was fully charged. Got it. Good fitment. We checked it.
on there.
There it is. Oh fuck. I mean, oh bleep.
Oh.
There it is. Solid.
And then now we just need to cut the other side. That way we can fit the bracket that goes under it. And just drill it and we should be solid.
We're solid, and we need to adjust that one. That one's too tall.
Yeah, hopefully the Dremel doesn't die.
Yeah, we're charging it again, just in case. Alright, so the bracket he was talking about, this one, we just need to put it up there, make a hole. Let me see, you guys can see? Alright, you need to make a hole, and then we should be solid, and then we should be done. In your hurry, bro. We work, right? In about 2 hours, bro. We need to work. We work.
We got this, bro. We got this.
Alright, I'm gonna set you guys down the tripod real quick, and then we're gonna start.
Ta-da! And there you go. Good enough.
Finished.
Uh-oh. There you go. Now all we need to do is give it a good drill.
Right, we already have the holes. See into my hood. The holes ready. A bore ready to drill over here. So he should be solid. I hope so.
Just gonna give you a good drill. So we already have all the holes mapped out. Just give them a good drill, and that should be it.
Be solid.
Hopefully.
Solid.
Right on the money.
Right, gonna sit you dudes down. Gonna go charge that Dremel. We might gonna need it later.
Alright, so kind of figured it out how to work this thing. You guys can see how we pre-installed the nuts in there, and they'll hold on kind of good. And then just gotta do the last one, show you guys how I did the rest of them. If I could get it in there. Not cooperating. But yeah, just get it in there, push it in there tight, and that should hold, shouldn't fall, and then we'll get it installed right there. Alright, you guys can kind of see the final product here. Got it nice and hooked up on there. That's the back side. All the bolts are tightened and everything, and that's how it should look. And whose bands is that over there? Somebody's having a little too much fun. But yeah, check that out. And then we'll go ahead and do the other side, and we'll show you guys the final product. Alright, so here's the finished product. It's a little dirty, but oh well. We got the...
We'll clean it up later on.
We got the bracket in there.
This is an install video, not a clean video.
Well, anyways, got the bracket in there. And then here's the other side. The latch itself. Got the screws in there, we're just missing one. Gonna put that one in, but all the other ones are tight already. Show you guys the other side. So yeah, you guys end up just cutting a bigger hole that we can fit the bottom bracket. And then here's the latch on the other side. You guys can see, nice and tightened. It's not going anywhere. And then the pins, nice and secure. There's one, there's the other one. And go ahead and close it, bro.
Alright, closing.
And
Latching.
there's one. And there's the other one. Ta-da! Now it's not going nowhere.
140 miles per hour.
Probably tops out at like 115, but oh well.
Whatever.
Pretty good. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today's install.
2 days install. Get it?
Literally 2 days. Hood pins,
Cali weather.
carbon fiber
Bye.
hood. Yeah, it got a little cold last night. It just got a little too crazy. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, and catch us on the next one. The next one's probably gonna be my vortex generator. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see what I decide on. But that'll do it for today, guys.
Look at the fun first.
Peace out, and always keep improving.